Our infrastructure has to be ready to rise to new challenges. As the population grows and transportation needs accelerate, the demands on our roads and bridges are rapidly increasing.
From busy city streets to airport runways, reliable infrastructure keeps people and goods moving every day.
How do we meet these growing needs? We evolve, we innovate, we build for the future.
Every journey depends on visibility and reliability. Whether you're commuting to work, visiting loved ones, delivering goods, or landing on a runway, Fast Track pavement marking resins enhance road and airplane runway visibility with long-lasting, reflective markings built to withstand harsh weather and environmental conditions. For infrastructure that lasts, Dowsil silicone joint sealants offer high movement capability, UV resistance, and longevity. The joints stay resilient without cracking or drying out, even under extreme conditions. Because of how they're applied, they help roads, bridges, airports maintain watertight, resilient joints with minimal downtime. By strengthening the roads and bridges we depend on, we're helping communities stay connected, safely, efficiently, and for the long haul.